Mr. Pipkin.
I know, sir.
So you're charged with theft. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present if you cannot afford.
Okay, hold up. This is where it starts getting wild. A live theft in progress caught on view by an officer. That's about as strong as it gets for probable cause. You don't even need extra evidence when an officer witnesses the crime. But keep listening. This tag team shoplifting spree gets even messier.
One will be appointed to you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. On April 14th, 2025, in Harris County, Texas, an officer viewed a theft in progress at a Walgreens store. The complaining witness advised the officer that the defendant was leaving in a motor vehicle and that he grabbed several items of merchandise and passed all points of sale without paying for them. The complaining witness showed the officer a photo of the defendant as he was walking out of the store with 2 boxes. The officer followed the motor vehicle and observed it stop at a gas station. The officer observed the defendant as the driver of the motor vehicle.
Wait, nearly $4,300 worth of stolen items. That's not a casual shoplift, that's felony-level grand theft territory in most states. And shout out to the complaining witness, she practically turned into a part-time detective with that photo. Evidence. Question for you. Should bystanders get involved like this, or leave it to the police? Let me know in the comments.
And recognized him from the photos shown by the complaining witness. The officer observed a passenger of the vehicle and observed the merchandise from the store on the floorboard between her legs. The Air Slim headphones that were taken were in the backseat of the motor vehicle in plain view. The complaining witness stated she observed the defendant come into the store, grab the headphones, and walk out of the store, passing all points of sale. The complaining witness stated the female individual with the defendant grabbed a basket, filled it with several items, and walked out, passing all points of sale without any attempt to pay for the items.
Wait, so she did as well?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so we have a co-defendant.
Yes, Your Honor. I believe that's the case.
I heard yesterday, or the day before, maybe Monday.
Okay.
She was good.
So the female individual with the defendant grabbed a basket, filled it with several items, and walked out, passing all points of sale without making any attempt to pay for the items. And the complaining witness stated that in total, the female defendant walked out with $388.78 worth of merchandise, and the defendant in this case walked out with $43.28 of merchandise for a total loss of $432.04.
Sir, I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with your case. I'm ordering you now as a condition of your bond not to go to any Walgreens. Do you understand? They have your picture there. So as soon as you walk in, you're going to have about 15 eyes looking all over you every single time you go back. Do you understand me? Do you get what I'm saying? Anytime you go there, you're going to have 15 cameras, eyes all over you. As it stands now, don't go back while this case is open. I don't want you to have contact with the complaining witness in this case. Do you understand? If I have to put you in jail, it's going to be at a high bond. No more PR bonds. You missed court yesterday. I will reinstate your bond today, but this is the last time.
Yeah, I'm on side of it. I am on side of it.
Keep taking it. Don't pick up any new cases. Do you understand? I'm not asking for much, Mr. Pipkin. I'll provide you a lawyer today. Then we'll have you talk to them here momentarily, okay? Do not leave until you sign our bond conditions. Otherwise, I will issue a warrant. You understand? Can you file those conditions, please? All right, I'm going to have you go, Deputy Miranda. We'll have you sign a reset, and then we'll have you take your seat there. All right, you are Mr. De Mejia Nunez.
Yes.
You are charged with 2 counts of driving while intoxicated. You have worked out an agreement where they're going to dismiss one of them. You're pleading to the other one. It's 75 days in jail with credit for the 25 days that you have done. Is this how you understand the agreement?
Es el mismo acuerdo. I'm sorry, Judge.
Is this how you understand the agreement?
Entiende que era acuerdo.
This judge is not holding back, and honestly, for good reason. Every DWI is a ticking time bomb. And did you catch that part? If he comes back illegally and gets caught again, boom, 5 years, federal time. This courtroom just turned into a crash course on law, life, and consequences. Thoughts?
Yes.
Giving up the right
Está
to a
renunciando
trial,
su derecho a un
right to
juicio.
compel witnesses to testify on your
Su
behalf,
derecho a tener
confront and
testigos,
cross-examine.
su derecho a interrogar
If you're
esos
not a citizen,
testigos.
there are
Si
possible
no es
immigration
ciudadano, hay
consequences. You can be
posibles
deported,
consecuencias migratorias.
excluded from the country,
Puede ser
denied
deportado,
naturalization. You give
excluido
up
del
the right
país,
to
de
appeal.
naturalización,
Once you plead
pierde su
guilty,
derecho a
this
apelar.
will go on your record.
Cuando esto
It's going to
termine,
be there
bajo
forever.
expediente y permanecerá ahí por siempre.
Sí.
Yes.
From now on,
De ahora en
if
adelante,
you ever get pulled over, an officer is going to see all these DWIs. And if you smell like alcohol or dope, it's probably not going to go well for you.
va a ir bien.
Every day, someone dies from a DWI in our nation, in our state, in our county. Don't kill anyone.
Mate a nadie.
No mates a una persona. Because of these DWIs that are
Esto de
with you now, I'm telling you, anytime you get pulled over, you have a funky smell. It's probably not going to go well. So if you're going to drink, if you're going to have 32 shots of tequila, 52 beers, don't get into a car. Do you understand?
entiende.
Sí.
Yes.
I'm going to suspend your
Voy a
license for 1 year.
suspender su licencia por un año.
Okay.
Do not drive until you get a license.
La
The
licencia.
other thing I'm going to tell you is I don't know what your immigration status is, but if you're not in this country and you continue to come back
Regresando.
without permission and you get caught by the feds, it could be a 5-year federal sentence on an illegal reentry. So be careful. If you want to do things, do it the right way.
Hágalo de manera correcta.
How do you plead to the offense? Guilty or not guilty?
Culpable o no culpable.
Culpable.
Guilty.
Find you guilty. I'm going to
Entonces, lo
sentence you to
culpable
it.
lo sentencia.
Good luck to you, sir.
Buena suerte, señor.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused?
I'll sign it. I just haven't put it in. I'll sign it. Vic, I don't know what to do about Miss Davis, but it's 12:30 and I mean, you haven't heard from Michael. So,
No, he did swing by earlier,
okay.
but I think we had started already, so he left. I'll reach out to
Yes.
him and see if he can come back.
Well, I'm, it's already 12:30. I'm willing to, set it for, next week if she wants.
Okay, I'll let him know.
Okay, thanks.